In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read Glassdoor reviews. If you're exploring a new employer or simply curious about workplace culture, this guide will help you make sense of what you see and avoid snap judgments. Start by opening the company's page on Glassdoor and selecting the Reviews tab. This is where employees share written opinions alongside star ratings. You'll land on a hub of feedback with an overall score at the top and individual reviews below. Think of this as your dashboard. It shows both quick summaries and deeper stories from people who've been there. Next, notice the overall company rating, which runs from 1 to 5 stars. A higher average suggests more positive experiences across the board. Use it as a temperature check, not a final verdict. A single number can't capture differences between teams, managers, or locations, so treat it as your starting point and plan to read further. Make time to go through several reviews. Aim for 6 to 10 or more if you can. A handful of opinions rarely tells the full story. Reading a broader slice helps balance out unusually glowing praise or one-off frustrations and gives you a more stable view of what daily life might feel like. As you read, look for patterns. When multiple reviewers mention similar themes, such as competitive pay, strong work-life balance, or struggles with communication and leadership, those repeated notes are more likely to be meaningful. One dramatic story can be memorable, but consistent trends carry more weight. Pay attention to both pros and cons in each review. Reliable feedback usually includes a bit of both. Someone who can point out what they appreciated and where things fell short tends to offer a clearer, more nuanced picture. All upside or all downside comments can be informative, but they're often less balanced. Finally, consider the star-by-star details. 1- and 2-star reviews often reflect unhappy experiences and can signal real pain points, but they may also emphasize worst-case moments. 3-star reviews commonly read like straightforward day-to-day notes with clear trade-offs. 4- and 5-star reviews usually highlight positive aspects that kept people engaged. Give extra attention to the 3- and 4-star range. These are frequently the most realistic and practical for understanding what you might encounter. By starting on the Reviews tab, checking the overall rating, reading multiple perspectives, spotting recurring themes, weighing both pros and cons, and considering the full spread of star ratings, especially those middle scores, you'll be equipped to read Glassdoor reviews with clarity and confidence.